This is a video on how to change the LCD screen on an Acer Aspire 3800 family. Very easy to do. It uses a 13.3 inch LCD. It's a 1920 by 1080 screen. And so basically you need to remove two covers on each side, covering a screw which holds the bezel in place. You can use a prying tool or your fingernails, just get in there somehow. Start from the top and start just bending it sideways. Eventually it will start pulling out of its clip positions, and then gently remove it. And the screen itself has a few screws on each side, so on top right, top left, bottom right. Be careful the LCD cable, the camera cable, sometimes still connected to the screen by glue, so you just be gentle, don't rip it. And you may want to use a heat gun here to loosen the adhesive a little bit to make your job easier, and then gently disconnect the cable. I do recommend removing the battery if possible, or make sure there's no power in the unit, so you can avoid any shorting of the components.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.